Good day, Madam, Sir. My name is Emily Justo, 30 years old, presently residing at Amolalo, Dumaraw, Capiz. Married. I finished my Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management class 2004. My experience as a local domestic helper since 2010 to 2013. I serve 3 members of the family, adult and children aged.
So mom, sir, and one child.
Yes.
Because you said there were only 3.
Yes.
So how old is the child when you start working? You said you've been caring one child with your employer before. How old is the child when you start caring of her?
3. 4 yung isa po, tapos yung isa.
We cannot hear you, cannot understand. You speak in English.
4, ma'am. 4 yung...
4 years old. Okay. Continue.
My duties and obligation are cleaning the house. I do housework such babysitting, cleaning, washing, ironing, clothes washing, cars, and dishes. I can cook Filipino food, simple Chinese foods, and willing to learn more.
Okay. So Emily, you know how to cook
Filipino food.
Filipino dishes only. Okay. So can you name what are the dishes you always prepare for your employer, for your family?
Adobo, ma'am.
What else?
Then vegetables.
Okay. What else?
Beef, like beef tapa.
Beef stew, beef steak, like that. So you can cook Filipino dishes. Okay. If there is instruction in cooking, can you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
You can. Okay. So you're willing also to learn other international dishes, or especially Chinese cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Presently, are you working? You're still working until now. Oh, so you're a plain housewife. Okay. You're married with how many children?
One child.
One child. So you have one daughter. How old is your daughter now?
7 years old.
7 years old. So she's now in school.
Yeah,
Grade 2. Okay, that's why you need to work hard and earn for her studies.
yes.
So if ever you can go abroad, no, you can go to Hong Kong, who will take care of your daughter?
My father, ma'am.
How about your husband? He will allow you to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you think you will not feel homesick?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If ever you will feel homesick, what are you going to do?
I know my...
Keep yourself busy with your
Yes,
work,
ma'am.
huh? Okay. And remember that you will be away from your family for 2 years
Yes,
because you need to finish the contract. You think you can manage?
yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes,
And let's say if employer will give you more opportunity and they will renew the contract. You're also willing to renew
Yes.
and given a chance. Okay. So if ever they will hire you, no, what can you assure to them? What can you promise to them?
I promise to do my... I promise to...
What can you promise?
to finish my contract,
Of
ma'am.
course. What else? Must work
My
hard.
obligation.
Yes, do your obligation, your responsibility, and be obedient. No, whatever the rules, regulation, or whatever the instructions you need to follow. Are you willing?
The rules and regulations, ma'am.
Huh?
Follow the rules and regulations.
Your health, any problem? So you're ready to go anytime.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank